demonstrate exercise 4.9, how to journalize adjusting entries. The ledger of Sagovic Rental Agency on March 31st of the current year includes the selected accounts before adjusting entries have been prepared. You can see the prepaid insurance supplies, and here are their balances. An analysis of the accounts shows the following. It tells you the equipment depreciates $370 per month. Half of the unearned rent revenue was earned during the quarter. Interest of $340 is accrued on the notes payable. Supplies on hand total is $920, and insurance expires at the rate of $490 per month. Instructions: prepare the adjusting entries at March 31, assuming that adjusting entries are made quarterly. Credit account titles are automatically indented when the amount is entered. Do not indent manually. So the first one, equipment depreciates $370 per month, and this is March, so that's January, February, March. That's 3 months. We'll take 3 times 370. I'm going to do that on my phone. So that'll be 1,110. So we will debit depreciation expense for 1,110, and we will credit accumulated depreciation equipment 1,110. Always list the debit first. Half of the unearned rent revenue was earned during the quarter. So if we looked at the unearned rent revenue, it was $10,620. Only half of it is earned, so we will divide it by 2 or multiply it by 50%, whatever. I'm going to divide it by 2, and it gives me 5,310. So that will be service revenue. Sorry. It will be unearned rent revenue will be debited 5,310 because we have to take it out of there, and then rent revenue will be credited for 5,310. The next one, interest of $340 is accrued on the notes payable. So the first will be interest expense. Expenses are always debited for $340. We just use that amount. And interest payable will be credited for $340. Supplies on hand total $920. That is how much is left over. So we will need to subtract. Again, I'm going to use my phone, and I will take 3,870 minus 920. That gives us 2,940. So we will debit supplies expense for 2,950 and credit supplies. And the last one, insurance expires at the rate of $490 per month. This is the third month, so 490 times 3, so that's 1,470. So we will have insurance expense debit for 1,470 and credit prepaid insurance for 1,470. And those are the adjusting entries for the month of March. I hope this will help you when you go to do adjusting entries on your own.